Once the plastic has been laid out and taped together, the next job is to install the Oz chairs. Oz chairs are used around the perimeter at a spacing of 750mm. Their purpose is to keep the pods away from the edge board at the nominated distance and to lift the trench mesh for the appropriate cover underneath the steel. The next job is to lay out the pods using the nominated start point on the drawings. In order to ensure that they are square, lay the pods out in both directions using string line or paint to keep the distance from the formwork even. Lay down a cluster of pods and connect with the keystone, which is then ready to receive the bottom reinforcing bar and locks the entire system together. Due to the exact modular nature of a Biax slab, there will be times mathematically when a full-size pod no longer works. In this case, the mini pod has been designed to accommodate this. Mini pod locations will be determined by the structural engineer. It is imperative to follow the plan with the exact location of each pod nominated on the drawings. Keystones work with the mini pods the same way with the primary pods, locking everything into shape. The adjustable is used when there needs to be more void created. Using your tape measure, make sure you measure that adjustable off the edge board for the perfect width. Plumbing penetrations are either likely to land in the middle of the body of the primary pod or potentially in a rib. In the event that it lands in the body of the pod, using an angle grinder, cut a hole in the exact width of the pipe itself so as to ensure a nice tight fit which will minimise concrete entering into the body of the pod itself. If a penetration is located in a rib, use a mini pod to void out half of that area, allowing for extra reinforcing bar to be cranked around the pipe in accordance with the engineering drawings. Once the hole is cut to size, reinstall the pod over the top of the pipe, connecting to all of the surrounding pods using the keystone, and then reinstall the termite collar and pipe cap.